Red dot defections checking method. Put a white paper put under the torch. Observe the red dot. If it is round, in the middle, or looks clean, that proves that our red light there is no problem with the lens black spot in the middle. Proves the lens is dirty. We need replace new one. There may be some small black spots during our daily use. It is difficult for us to observe it on white paper. Then you need to use this dimmer. See if there are any black spots in this light spot. Then we just open the shutter. The shutter opens and the red light then we are. Click on the remote control device. Place this strong light surface below the control and we can see a laser coming out. In this laser, obvious black spots in the middle of the light. Then we can judge this Z lens dirty. The third method to check lens, that is to use dimmable photo paper. A bit distance to the torch tip. 40 centimeters. Set laser power rate 100%. Blow the gas. Press button shoot or laser. A lot of black dot on the lens. And 4 of them are large. Obviously the lens dirty. This is the tested lens. See the actual dirt on it. We use photo paper, can be seen completely. This is, the lens is in very clean condition. There are no black spots inside without any pollution. Another problem with red light. If I see the dot, the red light it emits is defective. Its round circle normally. A corner is missing. That proves that our copper shaft is skewed. We need to adjust the shaft. The 2 screws here, left and right side. Slightly. You will see and clearly see the red light coming and now seems roundy. In fact, our real adjustment is not such an logically speaking. We should stick a piece of tape then we shoot or laser. See if the red dot in the middle of nozzle hole.